Oh, baby. Slap me with the headline right now. I'm ready to press. Woo! Headlines, baby. Yo, JSE. I got absolutely steamrolled yesterday, my bro. Yeah, had to go back in the playbook, and losses are part of the game. Nah, losses are cuck, my bro. Jakes, here's my thing, bro. I told the guys it's very convenient, the timing of those headlines. Like, nah, bro. Like, at least drop them before market open, but like 30 minutes into the market open, now you can't anticipate that. There's no way. That is what it is, bro. You just eat that sweet chin music and you wait for the next day. Take it on the chin and you move. But Chad, baby. This is what I heard when that first news headline dropped. Oh, Chad. Alrighty. NCS, baby. I think the music is a tad bit loud. I'm going to bring it down a little bit here. Chad, it happens. Those news headlines do come out. I told Project Gina as well this morning. It's not about, oh, this, that. No. All you need to do now today is we obviously see they've done it 2 days in a row now. So this afternoon, or at least for 3-4 days, up until there's something more concrete or extension for another week or whatever, you're just very aggressive with your trade management. 30% into profit, you flip and go break even. You don't play around. Okay. But Chad, I hope you guys are doing well. How's everyone doing? Kigo, how you doing, my brother? Keeks said, Keeks, turn your head, just show them we almost, I don't have like, just turn your head quickly. I see, I still need a little bit of volume, but we're trying to twin, guys. We're trying to twin.
We're gonna get him a little.
Oh, JSE. Oh, wait, guys. JSE, baby. Woo! Here we go. Oh, Jake's just sprinkling us there with some monetary stimulus. The monetary stimulus. Thanks, JSE. I appreciate it, my brother. What a donor. What a guy, Jakes. The Italian stallion from Kaapstad. Hide your wives, guys. Jakes, absolute weapon. Keeks, how you feeling? No, but for real, Keeks, how are you feeling, bro? How are you feeling? Don't give me the scripted. Oh no, we moved this. Chat to me, real. Open up.
We're overwhelmed at the moment, my brother. We have a lot of work to be done and not enough time.
Okay. The Mozambican.
Side?
Bro, yesterday was one of those days where you woke up, your nervous system is already distressed, and it didn't stop up until you went to bed. It's one of those days where it's just meeting after meeting, call after call. Bro, I gotta give Emil the Mozambican Mustang. Emil, I gotta respect that one, bro. The Mozambican Mustang. All right, Chad. Everyone feeling good? Everyone feeling good? Let's just keep Jeremy in your praise. I see on his stories. I don't want to ask now, but I see he was in hospital yesterday. So let's just keep Jeremy in our praise this morning. Let's just push up a prayer for Jeremy. Anyone else needing prayer for something? A family member? Anyone else needing prayer? Just let me know in the chat section before we pray now. Okay. It just goes to show again that life is happening all the time. Things are not always great everywhere. People are going through stuff, so just it's always like a real reality check. Also yesterday, my mother-in-law's first year after graduating to heaven. So yesterday was a little bit of a little tough day for me, a little bit of a retrospection day. So yeah, yesterday was quite tough. Was a down day. Anyone need prayer for anything specific here? Let me know before we pray here. Let me just pause this for a minute. Anyone needing prayer for anything? Let's all stand in agreement here. I appreciate it, Wesley. Thank you so much, my brother. I do appreciate it. Chat, anyone need prayer? Chat to me. You don't have to say specifically for what it is. You can even just drop a emoji like a hand up or nothing wrong. We all need prayer every single day. Grandfather is sadly at a really bad stage with dementia. If you can include him, 100% DK. What is your grandfather's name, my brother? Let me just get a pen here. As much as this channel is about trading, it's also about life. All right, Peter. Okay, Peter. Charts aren't gonna run away, so everyone can calm down. I'm blessed. Just need perps. Evan, prayer request to be okay. Okay. Ghost lady. I'm gonna drop you with something here. We're gonna get to the charts now. Everybody just stay calm. Everybody just stay relaxed. I've already prepped the chart so you don't have to. My aunt lost her husband after being married for 1.5 years. He had a heart attack. What's your aunt's name, my brother? Just want to get the name here quickly. Ghost Lady FX. I'm gonna share something here with you. Business. We actually had a good chat yesterday with our video editor. Absolute solid guy from Ireland, Jamie. And we actually spoke about this verse, talking about business and hustling and all of the rest. But go read Matthew 6. Okay, go read the entire thing when you talk about profitability. But 6 verse 33, This has been a verse that has been with me this entire year. But seek first his kingdom and his righteousness, and all these things will be given to you as well. Okay? Talks about all of the other stuff, clothing, food. Your Heavenly Father knows that you need these things. Okay? So go read this forget about the profitability for a second. Go read Matthew 6. Really dive into it. Meditate on it. Angela, okay. Okay. 100%. Matthew 6. I get the profitability thing, but there's a fine line. There's a fine line between. Look, here's my thing. Nothing wrong with wanting to be successful and wanting to be financially free. There's a very fine line between making money your God, small g, making it an idol. Okay, there's a very fine line between idolizing wealth, idolizing material things, and that is where this verse just slaps me back to reality to say, but seek first his kingdom and his righteousness, and all these things will be given to you as well. So without us even knowing, you can idolize your job. You can make your job your God. How do you do that? You prioritize your career over your spiritual health and your journey with God. And I am even subject to that. So put God first always, and the rest will follow. 100%. 100%. Guys, let's pray here. Let's bow our heads. Let's pray. Let's just go back to full screen for a minute here. Father, I just want to thank you for another week. Thank you that we can come and sit here, that we can work. Thank you for giving us the ability to work. Thank you for giving us the tools. Thank you for giving us the health. Thank you for giving us the ability. Thank you that we've got so much blessings that we can be thankful for. Thank you that we can really just come before you, not having to perform or anything, but just coming to you gracefully and truthfully. And you know already who we are. You know the deepest parts of us. You know what we need. You know what we fear. Father, you are there for us every single day. I want to bring up this community to you, Father, each and every one of them, watching, engaging. I pray that your hand of protection will be over them, and that you will bless them, Father, that as they seek you first, that you will bless them and you will give them everything that they need. Thank you that your word says you will supply our every need, Father. I want to bring up DK's grandfather, Peter, Lord, and I just pray that you will be with him, that even in the season that he's going through, that you will never leave him nor forsake him. Pray for the entire family for strength. Pray for the entire family for wisdom and guidance. And we just bring Peter collectively up to you this morning, Father, that your will may be done, Father. I also pray for Angela that lost her husband, Father. I pray for the family, the relatives. I pray that you will also give them peace, Father. As your word says, peace that surpasses all understanding. That they can feel your peace, that they can know that you are still in control, even when things seem to be out of control. Father, I also pray for Ghost Lady FX, Lord. I pray that you will lead her. I'm not sure if Ghost Lady FX is a guy or a girl, but the person behind that account, to lead them in your ways, Father. And as they seek you and put you first, Father, that you will add to them abundantly, and that blessings will flow, not because of what we do, but because of who you are. And then I also pray for our own businesses. I pray for myself, for Keegs, our families, Father, our workings, our ventures, everything we do, Father. I still pray that we will always keep you first, that we will always seek you first, and that everything we do shall not just be a blessing to us, but a blessing to others as well, that we will be a vessel for your blessing to flow. I pray this in the mighty and majestic and wonderful name of our Lord and Savior and soon coming King, Jesus Christ. And everybody that believes that can drop an amen right now.
Amen, amen.
Ghost lady, I thought it was a lady. At least God knows who you are. Luckily, you are not a, what did I call that other thing? Him, a pronoun. Is it a pronoun, Keeks?
What?
When you're not gender, when you're just pronoun. Ah, okay, yeah, correct. Okay, sorry, Keeks got it right there. Okay. Keegy. Okay, guys. Yeah, sometimes we need to do this. It's not all about charts. Life happens. Okay. Kigi. Alrighto. Chad, dollar in a range. Expecting us to bounce in between 99 and 98, 816. So nothing much there. US 30 bullish for me for the day. There's your all-time high. Mark that out. It's going to be quite interesting. US 30, the one still lagging behind the other indices. Bullish while we're above 5141. So I'm just waiting to see what's going to happen there. Nasdaq, same thing for me. Bullish while we're above 29323. So we're going to wait a little bit later to see where we are. Same thing with SPY. Bullish while we're above 7441. Gold, just nothing. BTC, USD, range bound, price action expected for me today, 77,148. That's a potential bounce or continuation area. Just going to set some alerts here before we're going to settle into our rhythm here. Geez, this NCS really has got me fired me up, bro. Daxi, beautiful, bullish, 24,782, bullish while we stay above that level. Gonna look for some beautiful buy continuations, or if we start trading back in the range, we'll trade the range. And then oil, quite a key level here. All right, things are gonna happen from here. We want to get involved here. Very, very simple analysis. Price is trading at levels where we want to engage. But guys, that is the rapid fire analysis. We're going to see how we open up here in 3 minutes. I'm going to give over to my my partner in crime here, Kigadarius, one and only Poloni from Benoni.
Let's run it. All right, guys. So what can we see here today? Dollar, again, as I said to you guys, bullish to neutral, and we are still staying exactly in that same situation. Yesterday was looking good, really trying to run the highs again, and then we pulled back. So yeah, well, we were off to a strong start. I mean, look at this, guys. I don't know what these markets are doing. So as I said, that bullish to neutral outlook, we really are making sure we are sticking to that, because as I say, if you break it down, even when we go down to a lower time frame, we keep almost fading it out. One thing you can note, we almost keep making new highs, and the lows keep also getting higher. So we've spoken about this before. When you start breaking it, you can see that volumes more exploding to the top side. But the part about this that makes it messy is, though, when you go to the daily, that's what you're looking like. You're still holding a 200, you're still holding highs, you're having massive wick rejection. So you're taking out, every time taking out a previous daily high and rejecting. So that's kind of the idea. Like, things, yes, look bullish, but there is a point you can't be oblivious to what's happening again on lower time frames. So lower time frames show bullish, but again, you still are having rejection. So we always talk about it again, and that's why I say why it's just neutral is look how we grind the stairway up, elevator down, stairway up, elevator down, stairway up, elevator down. It is just rinse and repeat at this point. So dollar really not knowing what it wants to do. So again, Friday, what happens on Friday? We get end of week pullbacks. So really not expecting a breakout today. But we're just gonna see what happens.
I just wrecked my list.
Why?
I'm gonna, sorry kids, yes, I'm an idiot.
But gold, let's have a look here. Gold doing pretty much the same thing. As I said, we're at a point where we kind of were seeing to see the markets start to work, let's call it normal again. And in the last 2 days, we've gone back to trading based on tweets. So it's an exciting time to be around. Not much you actually see here, but the one thing we will go off is the idea. Remember, I spoke about a neutral play yesterday. So being neutral and wanting to see what was going to happen after us bouncing that monthly S1, because having that monthly S1 support taken out a previous daily low, you want to see reversal. Now, yesterday, the thing I will take away is that we tested this psychological 4,500 and had a massive rejection. So very small body, but we're going to go with that a big wick as rejection, showing the buyers starting to step in. So Project G actually had the call today for buyers.
Just open this up, guys. Markets are open and in motion. It's the official round 9. Ding, ding, ding. Fight. Okay.
There we go. So Prodigy had the call this morning already. Wanted to be in buys on gold. I said to them, I'm not taking it today. And that just shows you, even myself, like, you just got to trust the strat. I didn't want to take it purely because we had lows. And I said to them, if we break lows, good chance you're going to see volume, which we clearly saw over here. But at the end of the day, we wanted to see a fake out. So whether I saw volume or not, you're not taking it over here. You want to see a fake out. So once we got back into the range, this would have been your play here, where we would have been in the position, and that would have been the entry there. So you could have run this at 100, that would be in the play. Now, two things about this which I like and I don't like. The thing I like about the position is that we did have our pullback, and we obviously held your Asia lows, got back above again. So this remains your fake out of the day and low of day. But what I don't like is that we are rejecting the 200, because at this point you want to be break even. So that's what I'm saying right now. If you had to hit this, you'd be break even. So it's not a trade you can go jump into now. But what also happens, and what I want you to take note of, is we're seeing all the EMAs starting to congest together, which always shows this idea of volume going to slowly come into the markets. So two things again can happen. You've got an EQ, which we've been holding as resistance, which eventually is going to become a support. So if we can break through, find support on that, this is also going to be the point we see those EQs, the EAs start to bring volume, and we really see a move to the top side for gold. But at the same time, again, this is confluence. It's not a stone rule or something that markets have to listen to. Markets do whatever the hell they want to. And in that same situation, you could actually be and see this thing absolutely dump to the downside again with our brothers and the power of X. So anything's possible, but market's really in a bit of a tricky situation today. NAS for me, again, still bullish at this point. Coming off of our monthly R1 and the yearly we spoke about, I want to see volume come in there. Held the weekly pivot perfectly, and we saw the bars come in. The only thing now is we start to approach here. So again, you guys know I'm not going to get involved in London, so I can't really give you an idea of what I want to see now, because I'm going to see how London trades for us, where we get to. But an ideal place right now would be that Asia highs are there. If we actually have this little bit of a fake, you fail to go lower to Asia low, come back up, hold previous daily high, that's going to be your area to go bullish again. So when you drop down to a lower time frame, what you're pretty much going to be looking at is this here, because you can see already, if we had to go for Asia lows, you sweep in these lows, that's where you're going to start breaking structure, and it actually goes into a neutral position to possibly go short. So if it is going to continue long, I'd like to see it actually hold about here with the previous daily high, regain that, and then start to run the highs again, and then set us up nicely for New York session. But ladies and gents, that is everything from me.
Keegs, incredible stuff. I want to thank you for that beautiful analysis, Kiki.
You're welcome, my brother.
Alrighty.
Let's see. This box is like a roller coaster. Jets for 100%. By the way, bro, you were gonna post that thing to your trial yesterday. Did it do well? Let me get you to post it.
I'm gonna post it today, but I think I'm legit shadow banned. That other one got 0 views.
No, we told you shadow banned on that. That one we figured out. But that's why we
There's
said
there's three that got 0 views.
Yeah, that's why I said you shadow banned though. That's why I said go to Instagram. TikTok just make a new account, bro.
No, but I went to go and read it up. They said give it like 3 days. It's like your account, because I started posting again, like your account is under like a moderation, so they just want to like see. So I'm gonna not give up completely yet. No, for real, bro. I don't know.
I think we've heard that story before.
TikTok. No, I'm gonna stick to the talk, bro. I gotta manipulate that talk algorithm. I gotta manipulate that talk algorithm. Alrighty, guys. They're actually in our zone there. Alrighty. I'm gonna see what she's gonna do here for us. Well, as well, gonna wait for that 15-minute play. Well, very simple, beautiful what I'm seeing here. I just want to see a nice little break below there on the 15, and we're gonna short this bad boy. We've got nothing stopping us, so well could be a very nice trade. So 9 more minutes on that, and then Daxi, we're gonna see what she's gonna cook for us. Carl, the weird thing is they didn't say it's banned though. I didn't get like a notification or anything. I think it's just like just 0 views. I've never seen anything like that. Like 0 views, bro. Even Keeks went to watch it, and it's still. I asked Keeks, bro, like just watch my thing, and he watched it 3 times, and it still showed 0. It breaks my heart, man.
Maybe your phone is a bit slow.
Bro, I don't know what is cooking there. But you saw it, eh? And you watched it.
I still liked it.
It doesn't even show the like, bro. It just shows my own like. I thought maybe other hacking the system, maybe liking it. Can't even share it to my stories. It's like they completely blocked me. It's like, Chris, you are not moving. Dax.
Yo, listen, oi, run that again, I'm shelling them. Flow galactic, cool man Bellingham. Man, I got love in Krakow and Birmingham. The gal love me, but I keep hurting them. I'm a twat, got the chat. Bit of this and bit of that, I'll run up in the...
Oh, we can't do that. So.
Are we still on Indices? I'm just watching you, bro.
No.
I'm on a mission to save this YouTube channel.
Nah, bro.
I can't have you working against me.
I know. Kids, trust me, bro. Trust when I say I'm sticking to the plan, boys. Plan is in motion. Plan is in motion. Okay. Let me just see what Marius did here. Marius has been one of my best employees I've ever.
So it's because it makes it easy for you.
Bro, Marius is a top tuner, bro. I'm honestly not paying him enough. Marius is really not getting enough pay.
The rest of us are battling it out here. I feel like I'm in Cyberpunk or something, bro.
This is almost like without the synth, Arc Raiders. But Arc Raiders is dead, my bro.
No, that's dead.
It's gone.
I'm happy it's gone now.
There was lack of
You
it.
lasted, bro, one weekend in Call of Duty, and then you've never been seen again.
Bro, after I saw that video of that one guy and I saw his ability, I was like, I don't think I can ever get to that
Yeah, but
stage.
that's pro level, bro.
Bro, they're autistically good. I've never in my life seen anything like that.
Yeah, but again, it's pro level.
Bro. Autism. The rhythm without the tism.
That's like watching an F1 driver, bro, and going, oh, well, what's the point of me driving again?
Dude, those oaks are saucy, dude. Oh, it's sickening, my bro.
Okay, that's out. Can you please put the watermark so we know which asset you're looking at, please? There we go. Yeah, everyone's over GDS 6 now. How are the shorts doing, bro? Okay, the shorts are putting a shift in for us.
That song you can feel it's NCS, but some of the other ones are saucy, bro.
Oh, markets.
Ooh, wait. I think. Oh yeah, no. Shites. No, oil. Oil looks like it wants to get back inside of the range. Okay. Interesting.
This is your new remix, bro.
Okay, let's see. I'm gonna have to wait. I'm gonna have to wait, boys. Yeah, baby. I think I need to go for both dogs under my arm again.
What?
I can start feeling it pitting again, my bro.
Not just you and the thick jumper.
No, bro. That stuff stops the sweat completely. But I think I need to just go get a little bit of a refill. Okay. Okay, I just need to go get a little refill.
Another song. New Coast, bro.
Oh well, that new
New
coast.
Coast.
I'm just choosing a song for my caption. Did it just say Cyprus? Okay, guys, as it stands, we're going short, boys. Let's see where oil is. No, oil's back inside here. Yeah. Okay. Remove that one.
Off any Vaultfunder account and get another 5k account free with code. Sheesh.
Okay.
Damn, when did we do that special, bro?
This week.
Alright, we just haven't been able to market it.
No, it's going out on an email.
Okay, I was gonna say, damn, that's actually like a little special. Wait, hold on. I was gonna say, I see the T's and C's apply. Yeah.
Okay. All right. Told you to buy, guys. You didn't tell me anything, brother. What did you tell me? What should we buy? Let me go to channel activity. Bro, buy now, liquidity sweep, man. What should we buy, bro? That's... So buy a car.
buying you brain because he's talking cuck.
Okay. Thank you, Marius. You can go and rest now. Okay, let's see.
Let's see your
Okay.
gold. Give us a little play here today.
I might go for a long, guys.
On.
Tax.
Yeah. Yeah.
I'm just gonna wait here a little bit though.
Morning, G's and Shay. What's up, Dane?
Oh, Danny, my boy. Big D. Big Dizzle. Big Daisy. Let me start calculating some lot sizes here. Okay. We are at a key level here, guys. We've swept. Oh no, we haven't swept yet. I'm using more oil here to try and get a gauge here. DAX is at a key level. I just want to see if we can hold this retest here. Joe, bro, fire. Joe.
Come on, markets.
Bro, that little. Wait, yeah, wait. That's it. Yo, kicks. That little section goes. That section goes hard, boys.
Our boys going in there.
But bro, you're not telling me what to enter though. You said
Oh,
DAX,
still
but
on this.
enter what? Enter longs, enter shorts. No, let him chat, guys. We'll put his trade on the screen. I can't just. You need to tell me long, short. Hello. Yes, is it DSV? Yes. I'm at the office today.
Shit, happy Friday. What's up, Pubs? Happy Friday, my brother.
Yes, correct. Okay, stop.
And that was 3R bar T-Slugger. Bro, what is 3R? Hey, that's right. I'm not sure what this man's on about here.
Funder. Funder. Yeah, alrighty. Thanks, man. Please make it during business hours next week. Alright. Okay, you can do it today, but it needs to be before 5.
Scream until I'm numb. Now with the summer skies, you're gone.
Perfect. Lock it in, boss. Thanks for appreciate it.
Or say to get to you. Now I don't know where I belong.
Alright. No, don't worry about it. There's always
Bye, best of luck. Bro, I don't know. Does this man need Jesus in his life or something?
Huh?
How much is the trading premiere? It's actually on yearly the specials at the moment, so you actually can get it for quite cheap now. I think you can get it for like 2,000 Rand for the year or something.
And that's 3R.
Bro, I swear this guy needs Jesus. I don't know what he is.
Alright, bye, my G.
Have a good one.
But yeah, he's on our stream commenting. Bro, just go trade your setups. Just go trade your setups, chill. Stay calm, my brother.
I don't know what he is.
Stay calm, girl.
How much you want to bet? He didn't even take the trade.
Bro, you can't just say enter now. Like, there's no context. Ah, I love it. But just go trade your setup, bro. Chill. Relax. Relax.
Ruined the 80%. It's still live, my brother. But it's still live. I think it ends on Sunday, the 24th.
Yeah, it's an Africa Day sale.
Yeah.
Yeah, I get it, my bro. Solid. Solid as a rock. Solid. You guys missed it. 3R. 3R.
Sure.
It's
Like
3R. You missed it.
I'll never call it 3R.
You missed it. Yeah, boys. I need to extend it a little bit. I clipped it too short. Need to have that far.
No. I think that's too much. I think, it's good how it is now, bro.
Oh, you're right.
Yeah. Oh, my bad, just thought it's an epic deal. Yeah, I know, it's very good. You know, what it was this weekend, we missed the 3R trade. Might just stop trading altogether now that I missed the 3R.
Damn, bro, we missed the 3R. Ah, we missed the 3R. Yes, we missed the 3R on this liquidity sweep with the inverted fair value gap. Oh no. Oh no, there was the 3R there. The liquidity sweep. The inverse. How did you get 3R, my brother? Where was your stop? Was your stop there? Wow. You've absolutely bedazzled me with your liquidity sweep and your inverse fair value gap. Wow. Alrighty, guys. Let's see. Guys, we at a tricky spot here. We at a tricky spot. Oil. I'm taking some lead from oil here. Daxi, I wanna. Bro, if she's doing what I think she's doing, she is on another level. Smells shit.
No, it smells nice.
Oh no, it's that Dolce and Gabbana.
It smells better
I
on
wanna
that
get
side.
what, King?
Spray it on that side.
Huh?
It smells
King.
It's nice. It's nice.
That's for a king.
Yeah.
Huh?
Very nice.
Bro, I thought Fabs is on a cruise, but yet he's here, bro. He's not. Fabs, please don't tell me yesterday you decided to trade the trades.
I feel like Fabs is there.
No, listen here, into the light photography, I just from us as a community, I just want to say well done. Guys, let's just... Guys, let's put your hands together for into the light photography. Alrighty. No, but for real, bro, that 3R, incredible. I didn't even see this liquidity sweep into the fair value gap, the buy side liquidity, the sell side inefficiency. I completely missed it.
I just
I do.
hope to be half as good as you when
I
I'm 20 years
completely
into trading.
completely missed it, my bro. But at least that 3R is secured, and we know it's going to a good home. So I already feel
My
better.
brother, okay, hold on. You can't go say something and then everything you've said before that has contradicted that. You've come out here making it a competition, trying to be like, hey, I'm the main peel over here. Like,
How do you miss a V shape, Brian? I don't know, bro. We
Yeah.
are just cack, my bro. We can't get these V shape recoveries right. We just can't get these flippin' V shape recoveries right. I just can't get the V shape. Savannah.
alright. Bro, I was just myself. I'm sorry, I didn't mean to cause any stress, man. Finally, here in Switzerland, we're having good weather, so nothing better than a coffee in the morning and seeing.
Nah, bro, I love it.
Sorry if
No,
I
I
said
love the
that.
engagement, my bro. The beauty is that 3R is back. It's secured. Dude. Nah, man, we just... No, we need this, guys. Please, never... This is what brings the vibes. This is what brings the interaction. Just knowing that there's 3R weapons living amongst us.
Yeah, like guys, don't worry. Like a guy with 20 years, we can deal with. We've had to deal for 3 years with P-Bird. We're going good now.
Yo, Brian,
We
the
built
guys,
stronger now.
Big B, bring some calm here. Bring some words of wisdom for the chat. The guys are feeling uneasy. I might have missed my trade, but... Savannah.
Bob's next week, it's switch alerts.
Yeah, guys, I'm not too quick on the trigger here for a few reasons. Oil is at a key level where it's gonna move from, and then DAX is also at a key level. So I'm not gonna try and be a euro here. I'm just gonna let it do its thing. As it stands, I'm looking bearish. If we had a nice close above there and we could hold that level, then I would go for opening range high. But as it stands, we're bearish. So all I'm gonna wait for now, nice little pullback back into that area, see if we reject, and then we can short. Also don't have too much range here. Yesterday's point of control here, but yeah, no need to rush. No need to get antsy. And then when I'm back, Fabs, please just let us know when you're back and you're gonna trade with us, so we could just size down maybe. I was bullish coming into the session, but this for me is the pivot between bull and bear. So if we can't hold above that level, then we just go back into this range, and then you can potentially get a bounce from yesterday's point of control. But for me, it's very simple. If we hold inside of this range, then these are the 3 points of interest. Into the light, you gotta, maybe you don't know, but I mentored Michael. So I know all the fair value gaps, the liquidity sweep. There was your OTE, all of that. Relax, I know all of that. You don't have to stress, my brother.
I'll tell you when I'm back. Save your alt trades for when I'm back.
I see the fair value gap here into the OTE, the liquidity, all of that. Don't relax, my brother.
Dang, once you're a TikTok influencer, trading takes a backseat. Brian, you know the good thing here is I don't know if you can count yourself as a TikTok influencer if you get 0 views. So trading's still number 1 priority.
Brian, that app is a scam, bro. Yeah, so I put work into those 3 little talks. This morning I woke up, I went in, I'm like, at least give me 1 view. It's like 0, bro. It's like,
yeah. That's rough, bro.
I'm like, dude, it can't be 0 views. No, it's 0, Brian. I'm gonna send you a link. At least go watch it for me. I'm gonna share it with my WhatsApp people.
And why do you still get no view, bro? 0 again.
So you understand that the DRT, bro? I was, dude, I'm the godfather of mentors. I understand everything. You don't have to stress. I know what you're talking about. I'm here for you.
Brian, a chunky payout from trading or a chunky payout from mommy and daddy?
And I understand everything.
I mean,
no, I sent the slides to her and Brian. The
slides.
Baltic.
Ah, that makes.
You see, that makes
So
sense.
she's not on the ICT train anymore.
No. I sent her the source. Just raw source.
P-Bird smashing the markets now.
She's just on that Baltic sauce.
Bro, this AP is in South, yeah.
No, but it's like bro. I like it. Keep and oh, mods don't get weird.
Nah, guys, but man, it's a love-hate relationship. I think it's a bit more hate from her side, but it's love from my side. It's probably a chunky payout from the 3R.
Bro. But Brian psychs it up, bro. Because he
I
told
swear,
her.
Brian
is
goes
the one
and
that
pisses her
bro,
off, and
he's
then he
the one
sends
that
it to
psychs
us.
it up, and then he's like, "Yo, baby, you're so cute when you speak foreign." Just flicking the G's. He'll be like, Plumena. Yes. Brian's like this, bro. He goes to Plumena. Like, I think you need to go check there. They're talking cack again. I'm just saying. Go check there. Like, I'm not getting involved here again, but just go and check. Your name's being thrown around there again. And then in the back of his head, he's smiling. It's like, no, I've got him on here. Come. I've got your laptop ready. Just listen here. Rewind a little bit.
You're working up the dragon, bro.
Brian is gonna be like, come here, your name is being used in vain here. Baby, you can't let them talk to you like. Hey, he's the one that psychs her up, bro. I'm telling you now.
Bro, this is that thing of like you say her name 3 times and
Bro.
she shall appear.
Bro, Brian is that guy. Keeks, you go to Boxburg, you and the boys on a golf trip. Go there to the Holiday Inn, have a few beers. Your mate gets murdered. Brian comes to you, he's like, picks you up and is like, listen here, if you murder Chris once more, you're going to see what's going to happen. Get decked again. Picks you up again, it's like, bro, if you murder him once more, bro, decked again. And then Brian picks you up, he's like, bro, this guy's going to blix me, do it, let's go.
Hey, there she is.
Woo!
Yeah, Plameda's You know, that's the good thing though, P-Bird. I can give you lots of experience. So one day when you actually are finally graced and blessed to have a wedding, I can give you all the tips I've learned. But it is being paid with payouts. Payouts and you know what, think of it. I could have like a golden wedding, but I'm gonna have a wedding with payouts and rebates. I just need to find a place who gives me rebates first, and then I can pay with that as well.
Oh, P-Bird. Yes, dude.
Hey, there we go. Okay, P-Bird. Yeah, Yaza. Okay, hold on. Let's make a deal. Let's make a deal, yeah. I will give you all of my funded accounts if you can find me one place that Chris and myself get a rebate from. Anyone. We've only got 2 partners, Vaultfunder and XM. And neither of them pay us a rebate. So at the wedding have sound sponsored by
Me being MC, I want to be like, guys.
Vaultfunder, they don't. Vaultfunder doesn't pay me any rebates.
Kicks, I'm going to be like, guys, just before I start, I just want to thank XM for generously not giving us any retainers and rebates.
Curious though, actually, hold on, P-Bird, before you leave. Who do you trade with? Do you know, who does she trade with? I know who
I'm
the
not sure, I'm
broker
not
is,
sure,
but
I'm
what
not sure.
prop firm? Are you using the same one that me and Brian were talking about that time? I don't know if Brian's still here.
Hey, psyching it up. He's like, go, baby. More. That can't be it. Finish them.
Round 1. Fight.
Finish them now, baby.
Trade if I only keys. Okay.
Brian's like, nah.
So you
but-
only. Sorry. No, I'm being genuine here now, Plemena. So you, I know Brian is doing the futures as well. So you also only do futures, not the CFD side.
Brian is like, nah, Plumena, that was weak. I wanted to see blood.
Fuck prop firms, man. Best way to lose money: get $100 account and trade properly. Nah, I definitely agree with that, my brother. If you said you have 20 years of experience, that just proves to me you have the furthest thing from 20 years of experience.
Gigs, be nice to the new people, please, guys.
Yeah, only futures and a bit of crypto these days. Oh, okay. I'll check.
Guys, please be nice. I'm trying to bring this channel back to life, and you guys are being aggressive.
Me and P-Bird are
bro.
literally being nice, bro. We literally having a genuine
No, I'm
conversation.
talking about
here.
the other guys, bro. Just chill, bro. Let into the light photography. Ignore these other guys. They are bastard, bro. I welcome him, bro.
Bro, I love
No. You guys are way too aggressive here. You guys need to
we
chill.
aggressive.
You guys into the light, chat to me, bro. Let me go back. Let's see. But I tell you what I did yesterday. 3R on 80, 3R 17. 10.
You know what?
Bro.
You know what's the serious thing? You just got to bring up Chris and his profits. And you see how quickly those profits become false. And scam people. And get around and steal money. Fake a whole bunch of crap. And then you check very quickly, I'm Mr. Nice Guy. Yes, good too.
No, be nice to the guy.
I got you late. Makes you nothing wrong there, bro.
If I show you my portfolio, no, don't show it to me, bro. You are absolutely gonna crush me, bro. Don't. No, I can see you know what you're doing. I can see you know what you're doing. Don't stress. I believe you. Don't listen to these other guys.
So
That's been up, boys, guys. Please.
that's fucking.
This is
So okay, hold on. My brother. Okay. Let's do this. All right.
no.
Show me the
Wait.
portfolio. Show me the
No.
portfolio.
Keeks, leave the guys. Then into the light, bro. Just be
I will
nice.
make you a mod right here now, and you can drop a link. Show me the portfolio. I've heard two people.
No,
Two
Keeks.
people. We're gonna go for year basis, okay? Let's go for year basis.
Relax.
Two people. If you show me your portfolio outperformed them on a proper account in a year period.
No. Keeks, leave the guy, bro. Leave the guy. Relax. Everyone is tense here today. Chill.
Nah, bro.
Oh, the guys are.
Don't come and preach false news, yeah? 100%, bro. We can do it right now. Keep in mind where you said don't trade a proper account, trade $100, eh? So this portfolio you're showing me must be based off $100. What do you turn that into in a year period?
Yes, I just came for the vibes and got the violence.
Because you see, no, my only thing is, bro, now when you tell a guy, okay, cool, show me, now I want you to send a wink and a thumbs up.
No, man, he's a photographer. He's doing guerrilla marketing. That's what they call guerrilla marketing.
Yo, Max, bro, that score was insane. I still said to Chris when I saw the halftime score, I was like, what are they doing, bro? But I feel bad for them. 3 points away from triple digits. What? Give me any time. I'll be more than happy to even receive you at my house and show you the academy. Bro, I didn't. You just said you're gonna show me the portfolio. I don't need this other stuff, yeah. We right now. I'll promise. I'll make you a mod. Send me the portfolio.
Wow, even bro, but why would you?
No stories here now.
Why would you need a third-party KPMG?
Like, there's no long stories here, bro. It's you said you're gonna show the portfolio.
Yeah,
Show
man,
the
guys,
portfolio.
chill,
Simple
chill,
as that.
chill. Yeah, you guys are aggressive, yeah. Holy moly.
I really was like that. Was, no, 100%. I think they do have. I mean, they don't actually even qualify for any of the World Cups, if I'm correct. I think I think we actually last time our main team even played them. Did we play? I'm sure we played them in the 2007 World Cup. Other than that, I don't think they even play
Wow,
the
bro.
8-year.
Isn't that? Because when you in a year do 15 minute, holy smokes, nah, bro, you're on a different level. This guy's on a different planet to us. When this happens, it's not just about trading.
Okay, my brother.
Geeks, wait,
Again,
wait,
I'm gonna ask one more time. No long story. You're not selling me yet. Like you said, you're not into courses. You're not selling me. So just send the portfolio. That's it.
No, Keeks, but this
That's
guy knows
it.
this stuff. He talks about portfolio restructuring, tax optimization. You iterated between Switzerland and Asia banking systems.
That's it, bro. That's
Wow.
what I'm asking. So you can send it now.
Wow, modern Keeks. Let's see that. Sure, bro. No, this man knows this stuff. I've never even heard of AML KYC. AML. Can that be the anti-money laundering? Know your client compliance. Wow. Once you're abroad, things click. Sure,
Just
brother.
remember, Michael, I want to see your name on that portfolio, hey? Not someone else's.
I'll show you 700 win rate of 80. Into the light. I'm ready to throw money at you, bro. Chat to me. I'm ready to get
Okay,
behind you.
My brother, I'm going to say it one more time. Please, no story. Just
Did you
send
mod him?
the portfolio.
Did you mod him?
I'll do it right now.
Okay. No, I've got a gig for you, bro. I'm actually looking for traders for a hedge fund.
Just mod him there, bro. It's not letting me do it on my side. Just mod him.
Okay. No, I'm legit looking for
There,
for
the mod.
traders. I'm legit looking for traders. For Brian, I'm also rooting for. I legit have a gig for you, bro.
Yeah, there, my brother, you modded, so you can send the link right now.
I legit have a gig for him. Anyone that has got no, for real now, guys. Okay, this is for real now. I'm looking for traders really for a hedge fund opportunity. If you please don't muck around. If you've got some history that you can share. There's some people with money that want to throw some money.
Hey, DK. Into the live, baby, proud. I'm rooting for you. The Indian tax bill for the Southern family. Nah. How much was that, bro? Now 30 minutes, you need to use Claude quickly. I trade my whole life on YouTube and doing what you guys do for me actually means a lot because you directly have accountability and only a trader knows how. Thanks so much. Don't you show you? There we go, guys. to print. What happened to print screen key?
It's meaning like just print screen. Karina, sorry man, that merch is only for me and Keeks. But what I can do is we can do something for.
It's just for us, but we
but
said
we
we'll
can
see
do
how.
No, but we can do something for Karina though. Karina, chat to me. I'll organize something, but it's just a uniform for us.
Sure, bro, this market's not going anywhere. The Samsung founding family paid a record-breaking 12 trillion, approximately billion, in inheritance taxes following the 2020 death of former chairman Lee Kuan Yew. Holy crap! Bro, imagine getting that ball.
I had something Wong helped him with the tax bill. And then I also had the other CEO tax We2I. And then Boomding Owls. And then only cash helped him out. Oh, bro, that Chinese team announcement, that is the funniest thing I've seen in my life.
Bro, you can just
That soccer team, bro.
you can just demod that guy, bro. He's not sending his shit.
I was legit rooting for him, bro.
He's not sending his shit.
Just you can into the light. Just drop like a Google share drive or something. Just drop your things in there, and then I'll just open that up and share on the screen. What you can do if you want is just open up the dock. What I suggest is the quickest for you. What I suggest is the quickest for you is you do the screen snip. So on your PC, go snipping tool. Okay, then you just go new. So you open up that dock, you select it. And then with this little tool here, you can like thicken it a little bit. Then you can just redact your name. Or like any personal docs, and then just save it.
My only
And then
question,
throw that into a...
Michael, also sorry bro, I was looking at one of your videos, like I think with making a few million, my best tip I'm gonna give you though, like not trading now, upgrade your camera. If you're doing photography, I think take some of that trillion and put it into a camera. Not the best quality. And if you want tips on lighting, I know you literally have Into the Light in your name, but if you need help with lighting, I can help you there. I can do a little course for you, because you're very, very washed out, my brother.
Kicks, be nice, bro. Guys, please, man, just be nice. I'm trying to build this channel, and you guys are just reaping havoc here on my boys.
No, I'm giving advice here, bro.
No, be nice, guys, please, please. I'm rebuilding this channel from the ground up. Yes, you guys, I'm trying to build here.
Bro has a trailer, Bro has a trailer, I don't want to 2 trades a day, and then I need to have time in occupation to do something else. I do photography on the side because I love it.
Karina, no, Keeks, come on, guys. Where's the peace and love, baby? Come on.
This chat is the straight over yesterday.
Okay, sorry, my brother. I'm just gonna demod you.
So
It was fun though. I'm just gonna put a fork in it. That's done now. Alrighty. Okay, let's get back to work. Karina, please chat to the boys, yeah? Hi, Chris. In buying GR. Whoa! Ladies and gents, Bongani.
Hey!
Woo! Bonks is in, is buying. Okay. Bonks, chat to me nice here, bro. What are we doing here? Bonks is back. He's buying. Are you buying right now, my bro?
He did say he was buying.
Damn, bro. Bonks is back. From here, eh? Just give us a little bit of context on the trade. Bonks is in some buys here. Bonks. Let me just check. Where's I don't know, miss Bonks. Just give us some
Yo, Dane. Too soon, my brother. Too soon.
just give us some context, stops, all of the rest. Chat to us nice.
I chat to Karina, but she doesn't reply.
Nah, bro. Bonks has shared some fire stuff here, bro. Nah, Bonks is you guys don't play with Bonks here. Bonks knows his stuff, bro. Bonks, just give us some context there, my brother. Just let the boys know what's cooking here.
Sorry, Brian didn't see.
Ah, bro, Bonks has shared some fire, yeah.
Chris, just be nice there, bro.
Bro, I'm building this channel up from the ground, dude. I'm building this channel up from the ground. I'm listening to NCS. Stop loss. Okay, Bonks, what is the setup here, my bro? Chat to us. Give us some context. Guys, this is Bonks' trade. Bonks has been no stranger to the channel. Bonks, just give us a little bit of context on this trade. Just give us a little bit, like, what are we doing? Are we looking at the 200 EMA? Are we looking at what are we doing? Is it a 200 EMA trade? A little bit of a double bottom here. Just chat to me, broski. Just want to know what we're cooking with here. What are we cooking with here? Alright guys, this is Bongani Lekker 2936. This man has dropped some. Hey Brian, Bonks, my bro. I believe in that, man. Bonks has shared many a bomb here. You guys have ads now? Yes, bro. We gotta make some dollars here, bro. Please watch the full ad if you can be so kind, or drop a dono. We're only getting like $1 per stream, because you guys aren't watching the ads. $110, cheesy. Okay, guys, I'm in short here in 3, 2, 1. Okay, I'm short. I'm just gonna put Bonks' trade to the side there. What's that? 105.
Yeah. Bonks versus Tribonacci. We don't watch the ads because you make enough money from trades to pay for YouTube Premium. Does the new FSCA ruling on education affect you guys as well?
Who asked that?
Jake the Hake.
Does the new... I haven't even seen the new ruling, my brother. I must actually go and check. I must actually go check. Look, I am a registered financial advisor and a KI, so I've got my RE1 and 5. We've got the necessary disclaimers. So I am accredited and registered, so... Wonks is good. Look at Nas. Hey. Oh, Nas is breaking up. DAX for me. I like I said, we've got some VWAP trend alignment here. But we definitely in a tricky spot with DAX though, because I was coming into this morning bullish, but yeah, we failed to hold this area. Look, Bonks' trade can definitely still work. I'm just gonna monitor this session low. So Bonks is definitely still in the game. He's not out of the game yet. I think this oil hasn't really showed its hand this morning. I don't know if you guys see it. Oil's also at London VWAP, but it's above the zone though. That's why I'm taking some cue from oil here. As much as I'm looking at DAX, oil is like the canary in the mine here. Okay, let's see what we do here.
So the canary in the mine.
Yeah, whenever they've got
canaries
in mines, there's a certain gas that you can't smell. So if the canary dies, then they know to get out of the mine. No, legit, I swear, Brian, help this guy.
Well, there's a few things I think you just come up with, bro, as you go.
Oh, P!
Woo! Hey, Keys, I've had some time to think and just wonder, what props do you trade with? P, okay. We've been here for 3 years now. I think there's 100% one that I've only really ever traded with the whole time, which is being posted everywhere. And the best part about it is it actually has a little QR codes on them, so you can even go scan them and go check them out if you want to. But FTMO, I've always been with them. CFDs, I prefer CFDs. I've gone the route of Top Step. Top Step's the only futures I've personally traded. I have said to the guys, thanks so much. I want to try Alpha and I want to try Traderfy. But that is about it.
Thank you, bro. Like the canary.
He's right, it's legit. Really? Damn. Okay. I really haven't heard that one.
What is that? What's
Your canary thing.
no, it's really it's like it's an old adage. I actually hope this thing reverses for bonks, bro. Like I'm already rich.
I was
So-
gonna say, bro,
I
I
hope
need
this.
to get you a bit of content shooting today.
Okay, sorry, Keith.
No, I'm saying because I need to do mine and I need you.
Okay, I'll see you.
No, I'm still chilling for a bit.
Oh, you're
I'm
still
saying, I'm
chilling.
not saying I can't be here till like 11 today. Because remember, we still shoot Ed stuff as well, eh? Are we still doing that today?
So we get to telephone.
No.
No, but then
So your
it's
choice is we either wait until next week or
No, you need to start Monday.
then you shoot it without it.
Yeah. I think
T hasn't even answered, bro. Literally, I can show you. He hasn't even
I
answered.
think we must somewhere get our teleprompter now after the stream quickly.
There. Literally from yesterday, bro. Hasn't even answered me.
No, I love trend lines, bro. What do you mean I don't like trend lines?
Hey,
Bro, I taught Tory trades trend lines.
can I get the script, please?
Yes, bro. What are you
It's-
talking?
Do you have the script already?
Yeah, I'm gonna send it. It's on Notion. I'm gonna send it to him now. No, bro. I'm the godfather of trend lines. If you go ask Tori, she'll tell you raw source from the bull.
Ah, Brian. Unfortunately, we're not at FMIS this year, bro. I'm taking a little break. We thought we'd give the other guys the opportunity there.
No, that's bro. I love trend lines. That's why I can see little Tori. She's
Bro, but you know what?
usually-
You know what amazes me though?
She's
about-
usually in my DMs like, oh, Chris, just give me the sauce. And I say tomato sauce or the raw sauce. No, go check. Tori follows me, bro. Mentor her.
That's like your little flex there now, bro.
Sure.
I think the last 2 days, so one of times we've heard that.
Guys, sorry, man. I'm just going to break even here before we get another headline. Bonks is still in here, guys. I hope this goes for Bonks. Well, let's just check. Yeah, I think it's going to be difficult for Daxy while Will's above here. It's going to be quite difficult for Dax to really make inroads. So, yeah, we'll just see. But I've just gone break even. These news headlines. These news headlines are pretty saucy. Let's see if this thing can come back for bonks. Chris draws a trend line nowadays with the curve. Brian, you gotta keep them guessing, bro. Never let them know your next move. I've morphed a Gantt chart, Fibonacci chart into a trend line. Alright. Bonks, you back, my brother, you back. Bonks, just a little pulse check there. You still there, brother? Don't stress, don't stress. Where's Bonksy? I think you're still good, my bro. I think if we can get back inside this opening range, you're solid. But if we fail to get back inside there, I think there's some trouble on the horizon. and there's going to be some trouble on the horizon. Tory curve. Oh, I love it. Do the guys have bodyguards at FNS? Bro, don't tell me they've got bodyguards.
I think last year the only one who did was that other idiot man, Joe Ash. He was the only one. I don't think anyone else did.
Okay, but when your body is as soft and as weak as that, man, like you can't protect yourself.
But you know what's funny, bro, is like how those guys want to walk around with bodyguards, but then you've got like the broker owners there, and they don't have bodyguards.
All right, break even, guys. Let's see if Bonks can get this over the line. Yeah, we gotta. I still potentially like the longs, but we're gonna have to get above this gray zone. Gonna have to get above that gray zone. Yeah, this critical level, boys. Bro, bodyguards. No, but I think I'll go next year, guys. When is FMIS? Tomorrow.
Same time every year. It's today and tomorrow. Right? Oh no, it's a Friday and Saturday. Or is it Saturday and Sunday?
I'll go next
I
year.
think it's Friday, Saturday.
Keeks convinced me. He's like, it's quite cool seeing a lot of you guys there. So after I had a chat, it sounds cool. So I think definitely I'll make a plan next year to go. Not for anything else, but to see some of you guys there. So our trade was actually there, but I was... This is a tricky area. Ah, Bonks is back, baby. Bonks is so back here. I see DJ Pen. Who's DJ? Ah, Forsey, well done, man. Yo, I want to say that is not a bad place to take some profit after taking a new low. But we are a little bit choppy, Forsey. That's why I'm saying we're not really moving away from this level. So we could be chopping here up until NYSE. So I'm going to give it a couple more minutes. I just want to see if we can hold above here. I am actually liking the buys more on Daxi, because you can see a dollar not getting through through London VWAP, and then also we're trading below daily VWAP now. So I think as soon as we can just get some clearance away from here, then I think these buys are really going to be lekker.
It's Tuesday to Wednesday. Oh, okay.
But now I told you guys, bro, bonks is a weapon. Don't throw bonks away, yeah. So what I'm actually going to need to see, and that's why I might not get a trade here, is I'm going to need to actually see this London VWAP. I'm going to need to see that start to turn up, and this daily VWAP to start flattening out. And then the aggressive play here for me is going to be... You see, this is in an uncomfortable area. The aggressive play here now is if we start to break like minor structure above here, you can try and go for something like this, because opening range high has not been taken. Yeah, I might actually swing this, eh? Let's quickly see here. We've got 26 seconds. A little bit riskier than the sells. The sells have more alignment. Let me just check lot size here. Okay. Let's see. I might take one more quick stab at it here. If I can just get oil below here. What is my yields doing? Let me just bring my yields up a little bit. Where's the 2 year? There's the 2 year. Yeah, yields are also taking a little bit of a dump here. Yeah, let's see. We might get a bang here. Just take a flip. No, bonks, I like it if we can hold above here, brother. Like I said, this level here for me is almost like the pivot for the session. So bonks, no, I can't, bro. Bonks, I can't get in with you if we... This is still bearish for me, my G. I should have actually been in and out here, but that's into that level. Can't do that. Here's another short opportunity. It's very chop. Very, very chop. Baltic forming. Diebo. 7 minutes. Yeah, if we close here on the 15, that is a short. That's gonna be the short correcto, and then yeah. I think oil's also forming on the 15. Yeah. Okay, yeah, that's gonna line up quite nicely then. Oil's gonna give you the buy if it holds above there, and then taxi. Keeks, but if you have to go, my brother, I'm just gonna literally be 7 more minutes, then I'm out here.
That's so funny, bro.
What's that?
You don't have to put it on my screen. Look what I found, and we know someone who has these shoes.
But they didn't. Can you get them actually? Bother you?
Not like this. I'll show you. Mates of mine have one the other day. He sent it to me that he actually was like he had stock.
The real.
The real ones. I'll show you what they look like.
The real. So it doesn't have that bubble.
Like these are pretty one.
But I wouldn't pay that for a shoe though, because I'm too white on my shoes. And I don't want to walk stiff toed because I paid 50k for a shoe.
But like these are not like these are, but you can see the difference. Like they don't have that what he says.
That is a nice.
Oh, this is nice, bro. This is nice. That's 24. But yeah. I just saw it and I was like, yo, I have to show you that there, bro.
No, Brian, don't show Brian. Brian knows what shoes. Brian, you don't. You relax. You know exactly what shoes, Brian. Calm down. We should actually just create like a little banter WhatsApp group just to let out all of that banter we're keeping inside. No, don't fire Brian up here. Yeah, no, guys, this is looking very similar to what we had here yesterday at a key level as well. This is almost a carbon copy of what we had there. So best thing is if it's chopping like this, you call it a session. We took our one bullet there. Some of you guys took some profits. Beautiful, nothing wrong with that. Oil's not going to give a setup on 30 minutes. Let's see, oil might give it.
I was chasing shadows, moving too fast. Didn't see the way our love couldn't last. Now I'm stuck replaying.
Oil needs to get above there, otherwise.
Every night I'm home.
I'm a shoe guy.
If you need my love, call me.
What's happened to Brian? No, Brian. Brian's gonna create a fire again. Karl Lagerfeld Louis V hybrids with the dash of fuchsia. Hey Brian, you know what she is. Let's just check here. Oh, bonks, it's looking tough here for you, my bro. I don't wanna talk you out of your hand here, but it is looking tough here for you, my G. It's almost like markets are waiting for a headline. It's like they're just throwing bait out a little bit, like just baiting, seeing, are we gonna get a little headline? But yeah, bonks, it's looking tough for you, my bro. In all honesty, I really don't want to talk you out of your hand, but Bro, you're fighting a big battle there. I like the risk reward. I like the way you're thinking. No, NCS. NCS getting unhinged there. 15 seconds. Nah. Yeah, I'm calling it, yeah, boys. Wait, 6 seconds. Nah, I'm calling it, guys. Calling it. Alrighty, guys. Let's just quickly have a look here. Okay, dollar is range bound for me. Like I said, it's just gonna chop in this range up until we get to the extremes. US30, that's your all-time high. Please mark it out. I told the guys I would love if we can consolidate here up until NYSE. I'm gonna take a breakout long there. I think it's got quite a bit of catching up to do. If you look at NAS, if you look at SPY, they've all like cleared all-time highs by quite a bit, 12% to be exact on NAS. So I think US30 has got some, maybe there's some rotation into US30. Why is this thing so loud though, bro? What a gak song. I'm bullish on NAS for the day while we above 29,323. SPY, same thing, bullish while we're above 74.41. DAXI, I was bullish. I was hoping to see us hold this level here. But as it stands currently, it's looking more bear than bull. But if we can start to trade above this area a little bit later, there is that potential for us to go high. So yeah, I'm just chilling here. Bitcoin for me in range. I've set my alerts at the range low or at the range high, not expecting anything major. I do like for a bigger trade, I do like the shorts. There's really nothing stopping us all the way to 75. So I think if we get a breakout here, that is quite almost a 2.5% move down on BTC. Oil, also, this is my pivot for the day. I told the guys this morning, this is ideally where you want to execute from. So let's say if this 15 can close bullish above that area there, I will go long on it with the idea that we can, as a minimum, go up somewhere here. Just want to show you guys. Stop someone to have a little bit wider with oil, especially with some of the headlines just popping in and out here. But that's going to be the oil trade for me. If we can close above there, and that's also when I think you're going to get that 15-minute candle closure on DAXI potentially below there. All right, DAX, the risk reward for me is not great. It's not the worst. This 15-minute play will still give you a 1-to-1, I believe. 60 stop with a, yeah, so you can still get your 1-to-1 there. So yeah, I'm gonna just monitor this 15. Still gonna be here in the office. Nice break below there. I will execute the short. Oil, nice break above there. I will execute the long, and most probably I think that will be my only two trades for London. And then we're gonna trade NYSE a little bit later. Oh damn, that I delete Bonks' setup there. Bonks, yeah, all of the best, brother. Like I said, I'm rooting for you. Really hope this thing runs for you. But just for me personally, I can't get involved there. Keeks, any closing remarks?
No, guys, a bit of a long one today, but markets, nothing that interests me. had our play, as I said, even with golds, for example, if I had to tell you where Prodigy, as I said, we literally started it with the analysis. It's not of a word of a lie. We are exactly at the same point. So whether you're even in that trade, you have any stop loss, you have any TP, and you're just right back at entry again. So no, markets are useless this morning. Not something I'm going to get involved in. So yeah, unfortunately, just be impatient. Have to have the disciplines just sit in your hands sometimes, and then I'll see what markets load up for us for New York session.
Sorry, Bonks, I can't just join for vibes, my bro. And I need to have my things lined up. But really, honestly, Bonks, bottom of my heart, let's get that TP for you. Chris, can we? Ed, just chat to me. Sorry, Bonks, my bro. Like I said, I can't get involved there. Bonks, do apologize, my bro. That's why I said the pressure was down. There's that headline. Just check quickly. I think a headline dropped now. So I say these levels are critical. Critical. Let's just quickly check a headline. Yeah, Bonks, there was just way too much going against that long there. And we had that there. Kings gets nervous every time. Is this NCS? Oh, that update.
I'm the one who's single-handedly reviving this account.
Yeah, but you guys are flipping being rude to new members and guests here. Alright guys, so I think a headline dropped. Can somebody the move on to Axel, no volume. Yeah, I know, but here's the thing, even with no volume, bro, like Project G, you know, is like these levels we mark out are legit, so unless we hold above, it's likely going to the next. So Keeks, closing remarks.
I think we're 20 minutes into the saying goodbye to you guys.
Okay, guys, let's go. I appreciate all of you guys.
Good one.
If you can do me a massive favor, guys, if you can drop a like before you go, subscribe if you haven't done so. It's always a pleasure being with you guys. And YouTube, we'll see you on Monday. Bonks, unlucky, my brother. I know you'll bounce back. Top G. Project G, we'll see you guys this afternoon. Let's end off the week strong. Just one last note, guys. Just be a little bit proactive, I would say, up until next week, Tuesday. Be a little bit more aggressive with your trade management, just with all of the news headlines dropping. Don't get caught, get slipped or anything. Rather just play it a little bit more safe. And peace and love, baby.
Cheers, guys.
Peace. A-Town.
Teu sorriso corta tudo ao meu redor. Quando fico longe, tudo perde tom. No seu movimento perco direção, mas sigo firme, sigo tua vibração. Chama que eu vou te encontrar, nem o céu consegue segurar. Se o mundo travar, deixa travar. Nosso ritmo ninguém vai parar. Me leva pra longe, longe sem pensar. Teu toque me prende, faz meu mundo girar. No ritmo do vento, começo a levitar. Se isso for I will go down to the parties that my eyes are shut and they're glowing red. I don't need sleep 'cause it's all in my head. It's all in my head. It's all in my head. You can find me on